The American Copper Buildings, completed in 2017, stand as one of New York City's most distinctive additions to the skyline. Designed by shop architects, this pair of residential towers rises along the East River in Manhattan, immediately catching the eye with their tilted profiles clad in gleaming copper panels. Unlike the typical glass and steel high-rises of the city, these towers embrace a bold material choice that not only sets them apart aesthetically, but also engages with time itself. The copper will slowly weather to a rich green patina, ensuring the buildings age gracefully and gain character. From an architectural standpoint, the most striking feature is the dynamic lean of the two towers, which tilt in opposite directions by almost 4 degrees. This gesture transforms what might have been ordinary residential skyscrapers into sculptural landmarks, creating a sense of movement and dialogue between the structures. The towers are connected at their midsections by a 3-story skybridge, which hovers 300 feet above ground. Far from being a simple connector, the bridge becomes a shared social hub, containing a swimming pool, lounge areas, and amenities that encourage interaction among residents. This reinforces the idea of vertical community in an urban environment where isolation within tall buildings is often a challenge. From the engineering perspective, the project presented complex challenges. The tilt of each tower meant that conventional vertical load paths could not be relied upon. Engineers had to design a structural system that redistributed forces efficiently while maintaining stability under both gravity and lateral loads like wind. Reinforced concrete cores anchor each tower, and outrigger trusses were carefully integrated to control sway and provide rigidity. The skybridge itself is an engineering marvel. Unlike traditional bridges that transfer load to the ground, this one is suspended between 2 leaning structures, each moving slightly differently under wind and thermal expansion. To accommodate this, the bridge is designed with flexible joints and bearings that allow controlled movement while ensuring structural safety. The copper facade adds another layer of engineering sophistication. Over 5,000 copper panels were individually fabricated and installed with precision, supported by a high-performance curtain wall system that balances durability, weather resistance, and energy efficiency. The material choice not only enhances aesthetics but also provides long-term resilience, reducing maintenance needs compared to painted finishes. Together, the architectural daring and engineering innovation of the American Copper Buildings create more than just residential towers. They embody a forward-looking vision of urban living, bold in form, socially connected, materially expressive, and structurally inventive. The leaning towers and their iconic bridge redefine the skyline while demonstrating the symbiotic relationship between architecture and engineering, where creative design and technical mastery converge to produce a landmark of contemporary New York.